Still, he wondered how he could let go of the emotional burdens he carried. In a quiet mountain village surrounded by dense forests and flowing streams, there lived a wise Buddhist monk named Master Rin. He was well known for his calm demeanor and unwavering serenity, regardless of the circumstances. The villagers revered him, often seeking his guidance when life felt overwhelming. One day, a young man named Haruto arrived in the village. He was burdened by a turbulent life, filled with disappointments, betrayals, and the weight of his own insecurities. Haruto had heard of Master Jinin's wisdom and decided to seek his help. The young man's plea, Haruto climbed the narrow path to the monastery and found Master Jinin meditating under a tall cedar tree. The monk's face radiated peace, and the serenity of the moment made Haruto feel both comforted and uneasy. Master Jinin, Haruto began, his voice quivering, I have tried everything to find peace, meditation, prayer, and even isolation, but my mind is constantly troubled. Every word spoken against me, every failure, every unfair moment, it all bothers me deeply. How do you remain so calm? How do you act as if nothing bothers you? The master opened his eyes slowly, his gaze steady and warm. Haruto, he said, let us take a walk. The journey to the river without further explanation. Master Jinin rose and began walking toward a nearby river. Haruto followed, puzzled but curious. As they walked, the master pointed to a large boulder lying by the side of the path. Pick up that boulder, Master Jinin instructed. Haruto hesitated. But it's too heavy, the master smiled. Exactly. Yet in life, we often carry the weight of things we cannot change, just as you refuse to put this rock down. Haruto was taken aback by the simplicity of the lesson. Still, he wondered how he could let go of the emotional burdens he carried. The rippling river. When they reached the river, Master Jinin gestured for Haruto to sit beside him. The water flowed gently, reflecting the sunlight in shimmering patterns. The master picked up a pebble and threw it into the river. What do you see? Asked Jinin. Ripples, Haruto replied. Exactly, said the master. The pebble disturbs the water, creating ripples. But observe closely. What happens after some time? Haruto watched as the ripples faded, and the water returned to its calm state. The river does not cling to the disturbance, Master Jinin explained. It allows the ripples to pass. Your mind is the same. When something bothers you, it creates ripples in your peace. But if you let it pass like the river, you will find calm once more. The bamboo lesson. On their way back to the monastery, they passed a grove of bamboo trees swaying in the breeze. Look at the bamboo, Master Jinin said. It bends with the wind but never breaks. It does not resist, nor does it complain. It simply adapts. Haruto stared at the bamboo, realizing its resilience was rooted in its flexibility. So, to act as if nothing bothers me, I must learn to bend and let go. Master Jinin nodded. Precisely. To act as if nothing bothers you is not to suppress your feelings, but to understand their temporary nature. By practicing this, you cultivate a mind that is flexible, unshaken by life's winds. The test days turned into weeks as Haruto stayed at the monastery, learning to observe his thoughts and detach from negativity. He practiced mindfulness and worked on responding to challenges with calm acceptance. One day, the villagers gathered for a festival, and Haruto decided to join them. During the event, a man accidentally spilled hot tea on Haruto's robe. The crowd gasped, waiting for an angry reaction. But Haruto simply smiled, brushed off the tea, and said, It's nothing. Accidents happen. The villagers murmured in admiration. The man who had spilled the tea apologized profusely, but Haruto reassured him. Later, Haruto returned to Master Jinin and shared the incident. The master smiled. You are learning, Haruto. To act as if nothing bothers you is to show kindness, understanding, and strength not only to yourself, but to others. The final lesson. Before Haruto left the monastery, Master Jinin shared one final piece of wisdom. Life will always bring challenges, Haruto. People will criticize you, circumstances will disappoint you, and your own mind will test you. But remember, you have a choice, to react or to remain unshaken. When you act as if nothing bothers you, you are not ignoring reality, you are rising above it, becoming like the bamboo and the river, strong, yet adaptable. Haruto bowed deeply, feeling lighter than he had in years. As he descended the mountain path back to the village, he carried with him not the weight of his burdens, but the wisdom of letting go. The takeaway: the story of Haruto and Master Rin teaches us that peace does not come from avoiding life's difficulties, but from learning to rise above them. By acting as if nothing bothers us, we cultivate inner strength, flexibility, and the ability to navigate life with grace. Like the bamboo that bends and the river that flows, we too can find peace amidst life's storms. This powerful lesson from Buddhism reminds us that our reactions shape our reality. Choose calm. Choose peace. Choose to act as if nothing bothers you.
Thank you for joining us on this journey of mindfulness and serenity. If you'd like to stay connected and receive more updates, please subscribe to our channel. Peace and tranquility await.